This is going to be an easy resin tutorial using Artline Honey Resin in our Crystal Edge round mold. We're really excited. Artline Resin sent us all three of their resins to try out, their low viscosity, their honey, and their extra honey. This is the honey resin. It's a medium viscosity, so I'm pretty excited to try it in this pour. They also send little gloves and a cup. For this one, we're going to be using Quinacradone Magenta, 6 drops in 2.29 ounces. I mixed up 11 ounces of the honey resin. It's a mixture of 2-to-1 by weight, which I love. Then I'm using some carbon black, 6 drops in 1.94 ounces. The mica is 3 tiny scoops of Ube Red in 1.59 ounces. And this red has a little bit, well, it's pink really, it's not red, has some blue in it. Ocean White Pigment Paste, 4 drops in 2.12 ounces. And then the fast push is going to be 2.4 ounces with 3 drops of the Quinacradone Magenta again. And then, of course, I have my crushed glass and little iridescent glass beads. I put the thermometer on here and it said 32.5, but I actually had some glitter stuck in the mold. So by the time I poured it, it was 33.8. The black was 33.9 and the white was 33.6. So it was getting up there, and this is a bit thicker resin than the normal Art Pro that I use. Next time I'm going to try to work a bit faster, or I'll try the low viscosity resin for this pour. Since I have all three of them to try, I can't wait to try the extra honey too to do something new with. And for this pour, we just draw circles. And look at how that's just staying put. It's not even moving. You just draw concentric circles inside out, outside in. I might switch it up. Yep, there I go. But that's what's different between this and the Art Pro resin. The Art Pro moves more. This is just sitting still. And I don't know if that's inherent with this or because it was already at almost 34 degrees Celsius and could have been starting to set up. I was a little bit worried, but wait till you see the finished result. It turned out beautiful. And I'm doing these just with the one color of acrylic ink and mica powder in the same shade, not trying to mix a bunch of colors. And I'm loving, again, what this Crystal Edge mold does. Next one's going to be yellow. I keep saying that, but I don't do it because I love the pinks and the purples, as I know some other people do too. So here I'm just swirling inside out, outside in. You take the little bit that's left in the cup and just dump it right into the center. All of this is real time, so you can see how perfectly I'm pouring those circles. Not. They're always kind of all over the place. And then the next step is just taking the white. I don't know if I've tried this pour in low viscosity resin yet. I'll be doing a bunch of pours end of this week and the weekend. Pouring the white clockwise, then I'll probably go counterclockwise because then I start looking and going, oh, there's spaces there that don't have any white. Oh, and then I start blobbing it up as usual. I try and be so patient when pouring this and it just doesn't work. But look at how that resin is just sitting there. It's not moving. Just like, hello, or a bunch of little lines. And just dump the rest to the center. And then you take the push and just push it very fast. It opens up the center so you can put your glass or glitter or glass beads right in the center there. This resin you had to mix for 5 minutes, and then it says put it in another cup and mix it for another 5 minutes. I only did it for an additional 3 minutes, and my resin was already at 29 degrees Celsius. So I started mixing colors, and it had jumped up to almost the 34 degrees just with me mixing the 3 or 4 colors here. And there's a bit of a time lapse with it closing up. We do have a coupon below if you want to try out this resin for yourself, so be sure to check out that link. It's from Artline Epoxy Resin. And here's the reveal. Those cells look beautiful, so rich and dark with only one color of ink and one color of mica. Amazing.